So it's been a while. Again, I keep doing this thing where I start YouTube and I stop again and I lose motivation to do it real quick. But we're back again. Can't predict how long for this time, but what I figured I'd just get an idea because I fancy getting my camera out, is that I'm going to change this whole desk setup behind me. This is our office and I'm just kind of fed up with the way it looks. I don't enjoy it. I don't work down here anymore because that you can't really see it, but that monitor there is just completely busted. It's broken. I just can't work on it. It's a nightmare. And the only reason I use that monitor ever is for to back up all my work and all my data from all that. So what my intention is to get rid of that monitor, replace it with my iMac from upstairs I upgraded a couple months ago, which the screen is cracked on, which is a little bit annoying. I know, right? I don't know what it is with screens lately. I just seem to be having a serious issue. But basically I'm just going to take it all apart, make it look a lot tidier and actually enjoyable to work at, because that whole space, even with that glorious monitor over there, didn't really enjoy it because, I don't know, the space was just cramped and crowded and nah, it wasn't for me. But with one monitor, no laptop, all bosh set up, it's going to look nice. Got a whole area over here that I need to sort out because it's terrible. We've got a lot of tidying to do over the next couple of days, and I've got nothing else to do. I've got one project left to shoot, so I'm gonna take the time to fix the office. So well, I'm probably gonna put this into a time lapse. Alright, so I'm revisiting, this is day 2, or evening 2. I cleared everything out and ideally I wanted to bring my Mac down tonight because I've managed to sort all the cables. I've redone my headphone mount here, and by headphone mount I mean literally, so where I hang my headphones. And now I've decided that I actually haven't oiled my desk yet in the year that I've had it, or 2 years that I've had it. I haven't oiled it, so I was always dilly-dallying about what kind of shade I wanted it to be. At this point, I'm kind of just fuck it. It needs to be oiled, it needs to be protected by something. So I'm using pure tongue oil. And we're gonna see, I've just done a patch test, so I'm gonna see what that looks like. I'm gonna give it 5 or 10 minutes, see what it settles like. And then we're gonna clear the whole desk, and we're gonna oil all of it. So that's the desk oiled, all done. I'm basically just gonna let it sit for probably about a day and a bit. I've never oiled a desk before, so I don't know how heavy the coating I'm supposed to do. I'm guessing it'll probably take 1 or 2 coats, but I realised that as I was about to oil it, I still left a load of my stuff on it, which was the podcasting setup. So I've been led to remove that. There's actually loads of spots where that was because it's obviously the sun's bleached and stuff. So, well, yeah, there's not much I can do now other than order some stuff online, go under the desk and wait for it to dry. So it's been I don't know, 2 days or so, and I've let this dry. I put 2 coats on it, and now it's kind of not taking anymore, so I'm gonna wipe it dry, and then I'm gonna put everything back together. And that's the way this is gonna go.
Say you waited for hours. What if I told you? You know I'll see you tomorrow. You can say your last goodbyes. I never take what you say.
So guys, as this video is coming to a close, I decided to do a voiceover explaining the peripherals of my setup. In terms of setups, it's actually not that crazy in comparison to other YouTubers, but it's clean, it's minimal, and it works right now. The first item we have on the right hand side of my desk is the Mackie Pro FX 12 V2 12 channel compact mixer. That is the mixer that you're hearing through right now for the podcasting setup. It's a little bit of overkill, but it is a great mixer. Paired with that, we have the Rode Procaster Broadcast Dynamic Microphone. I have 3 of these and they are incredible. The mic boom arms are also the Rode PS A1 swivel mount studio microphone boom arms. They are absolutely brilliant, can't fault them. However, I will say that they are not cheap. We also have a Wacom Intuos S tablet for drawing. I occasionally edit my photos with this because, you know, dodging and burning and things like that. It's a lot easier with a pen. In terms of storage, I've just got a Seagate 8TB desktop hard drive. The machine powering all of this is the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017 edition. It has a 2.3 GHz dual-core Intel i5 processor and 8 gigs of RAM. So that is pretty much it for this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a very different video to what you're used to, but I hope you found it interesting and enjoyable to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. You guys know what to do. Make every day count and enjoy life. I will see you in the next one.